Hey, Magic Matt here from blinkies.com, and we're all stuck at home because of the global coronavirus pandemic, but we can still have fun at home. And you know, with my business, with my Blinkee business, it's going downhill a little bit because there's no parties going on, and everybody orders lots of Blinkies for parties. Normally, I'm selling 1,000 to somebody here, 500 to somebody there, but because there's no parties and nobody's allowed to have parties, I'm selling a few smaller orders to people, like bubble guns and cute little wands and toys for people when they're at home for their kids so they can play with them. So consequently, I've had to do a couple extra jobs here and there, doing some side jobs. I'm juggling a lot of things. I'm seriously juggling a lot of things, and today I'm gonna juggle these Cutie clementines. This should be a cute little trick, and I'm gonna juggle them, and I'm gonna pop them in my mouth as I juggle. I'm gonna use my mouth as part of the trick. So I'll make sure and wash these really well when I'm done. Okay, here it goes. So this is just regular old juggling. Okay, that's Cutie juggling, popping in my mouth, and here's the big finish. Bam! All right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Magic Matt, blinkies.com. See you next time.